Then a bit of more ultramarine here. Well, a bit of cobalt. And a little bit of green pour in it. That's a little bit of burnt umber. Well, you can see what this is. It's just a wash of raw sienna and a little bit of burnt umber and burnt sienna in it for this wash here. And that's just a little bit of washy blue on there, and more or less any colour away from the other colours. And then I've just banged these in, these little drawings. It's just for so much to do, really. I thought, but I'm sorry I've not had the microphone clipped in. I'm always doing that. Always doing it. But nevertheless, you can see what it is if you want to have a go at it yourself, you see. And there's a lot of people copy me, I know. So why not? That's, what is it when they say copying is a sign of something? I don't know, but there's one particular lad, it's me who's doing it. He copies everything. Everything I do. Mind you, I hope he does get on. Good luck to him. I don't mind, honestly. I'm just telling you, I don't mind. Have a go at this, my lad. I can't name you. But have a go at this one for a change, away from your Western types. Well, they're not very good, honest. So have a go at this one. Be a break for you. Because all we want is Radio Gaga. Yeah. Okay. Well, it'll not take long putting it on, will it? No talking. Or will it? I don't know.